Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7. In today's video, we want to show you how to add music to your Galaxy Watch Active. And as you can see, we have the gold version of the Galaxy Watch Active. Very nice watch. It's a little smaller than the, or I would say a bit smaller than the Galaxy Watch. And it's missing what I would call its trademark bezel. But today we're going to show you how to put music on your Galaxy Watch Active. So the first thing we do is going to go ahead and set that back down here. And we're going to reach over here and grab our phone. For demonstration purposes, we're using our Galaxy Note 8, but you can also use your S9 and S10. And so we're going to go over to our Samsung folder here, open it up. We're looking for the Galaxy Wearable app, and we have it here. So we're going to tap on it to open it. Once it's open, we're going to scroll down to where we will see add content to your watch. And go ahead and tap on that to open it. Once it's open, we're going to come down toward the top of it where it says add tracks. You're going to tap on that to open it. And now we just need to decide on what song we want to add to it. The song I'm thinking of is adding this song here called Ooh Wee. We select it there, go to the top and hit done. And once it's done, the phone is connected to the watch, and it goes through the process of downloading the track. And see, as you can see, we're up to about 30%, and it should be through in a matter of seconds. So it just added one track to the watch. So we're going to hit our home button and set our phone back down, and we're going to grab the Galaxy Watch, hit our home button. Now remember, this is the home button at the bottom and the back button at the top. So we hit the home button one more time to get to our home screen. And as we said before, the Active doesn't have the bezel, so you can't navigate. So you can't navigate with the bezel, so you have to do it with your finger. So we don't see our music app on this particular screen, and that's where we're looking for the music app. So we hit that arrow, and there's the music app. So we tap that, and then as you can see, the little dot moves over to there, and then we tap in the middle where it says music, and it takes us to our music screen. And as you can see, it has a song here called Over the Horizon. That's a stock song, and it's a song that's on all of the Samsung devices, be it phones or the watches. But we're looking for a song called Ooh Wee. We're going to swipe up and swipe this up to look at the tracks that we have. And it says we have 2 tracks. We tap on that, and you see the tracks are Ooh Wee and Over the Horizon. So we're going to go to Ooh Wee here. Open it up. Pause there for a second, and as you can see, I've synced my Bluetooth speaker in the background, which came on automatically when I hit the play button. But if you hit it to play, that's the song. It sounds pretty good coming from the watch. Hit pause to it again. Now you can sync your watch to a pair of Bluetooth speakers or a Bluetooth speaker, or you can sync it to a pair of Bluetooth headphones also. So that's about it for our video today, how to put music on your Galaxy Watch Actives. So hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button too below. And don't forget to hit that bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.